1. 1930 Ford Model A. Price: $22,500. Located: Sunrise Beach, Missouri. This 1930 Ford Model A Rat Rod is a hand-built custom vehicle that combines raw vintage character with strong mechanical performance. Built with significant time and effort, this unique ride stands out with its aggressive styling and functional design. Titled as a 1932 Ford, it offers flexibility for registration while maintaining the spirit of a classic hot rod. With only one owner and low miles since completion, it remains a well-kept and carefully assembled machine. Under the hood, the car is powered by a built L98 Corvette engine, delivering solid horsepower and dependable performance. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, known for its durability and smooth operation. A 4.11 gear ratio in the rear enhances acceleration and gives the car a responsive, powerful feel on the road. This setup makes the vehicle capable of highway driving as well as local cruising without compromise. The vehicle runs and drives great, offering a true turnkey experience. Its handcrafted nature means every detail reflects custom work and individuality. This is an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking for a bold, reliable rat rod that can be driven anywhere with confidence and style. 2. 1926 Ford Model T Coupe. Price: $26,500. Located: Centerville, Iowa. This 1926 Ford Model T Coupe is a fully custom-built hot rod that delivers both aggressive performance and standout style. Built from the ground up, this vehicle represents one of several complete custom projects, showcasing a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. With approximately 1,000 miles since completion, it remains in excellent running condition and is ready to drive anywhere with confidence. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 5.3-liter LS engine tuned on E85 fuel, providing impressive horsepower and strong acceleration. The setup is paired with a freshly built TH350 automatic transmission, ensuring reliable shifting and durability under performance conditions. The drivetrain is supported by an 8.8 Posey rear end with a custom 4-link suspension and air ride system, giving the car both stability and adjustable stance. The chassis is constructed from custom square tubing, enhancing strength and rigidity. A Speedway drop axle and 4-wheel disc brakes provide improved handling and stopping power. Additional features include a 15-gallon fuel tank and a clean, open design with outside windows, emphasizing its raw hot rod character. This is a true turnkey build with documented construction history. 3. 1952 Ford Pickup. Price: $9,000. Located: Hutchinson, Kansas. This 1952 Ford Pickup Rat Rod is a fun and reliable classic truck that blends vintage styling with practical upgrades for everyday drivability. Finished in a brown exterior with a gray interior, this truck presents a rugged yet clean appearance that reflects its well-maintained condition. With relatively low mileage since its build, it remains a solid option for cruising or weekend shows. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 302 Ford engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance and smooth operation. The drivetrain setup ensures ease of driving, making it suitable for both experienced enthusiasts and newcomers to the hot rod scene. The vehicle also benefits from several recent upgrades, including a new steering box, new disc brakes, and a new alternator. Cooling and monitoring systems have been improved with a new aluminum radiator and updated gauges, along with a new heater for added comfort. The truck comes with a clean title and has no major issues, making it ready to drive anywhere. This is an affordable entry into the classic rat rod world with solid mechanical reliability. 4. 1948 Jeep Comanche Truck. Price: $11,500. Located: Cedar Hill, Missouri. This 1948 Jeep Comanche Rat Rod truck is a distinctive custom build that combines classic Willis styling with upgraded mechanical components for performance and reliability. With around 2,000 miles since completion, this truck is a turnkey vehicle ready for both street driving and car shows. Its unique blend of Jeep, AMC, and custom elements makes it a true one-of-a-kind build. The truck is powered by an AMC 304 engine equipped with a mild cam and Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, delivering strong and responsive performance. The engine is paired with a TorqueFlite 998 automatic transmission, providing smooth and reliable shifting. The custom Z-frame chassis features a 4-link Dana 44 rear end and a quarter elliptical Dana 30 front suspension, ensuring stability and improved ride quality. Additional highlights include lake-style headers, HEI ignition, and a complete custom interior. The truck sits on Rubicon wheels and features a 5-inch chop top for an aggressive stance. With a clear historical title and dependable performance, this rat rod is a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking something truly unique. 5. 1937 Ford Pickup Rat Rod. Price: $14,500. Located: Seymour, Missouri. This 1937 Ford Pickup Rat Rod is a bold custom build that delivers classic truck styling with a rugged hot rod attitude. Featuring a chop-top design and a solid body structure, this vehicle stands out with its aggressive stance and unique personality. Built with many new components, it reflects a project that has received significant attention and investment, making it a reliable and eye-catching street machine. Power comes from a freshly built 350 small block engine bored over, paired with a new turbo 350 automatic transmission. This combination provides strong performance and dependable operation, making the truck suitable for cruising or weekend drives. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end and a straight axle front suspension, giving it a traditional rat rod setup with solid road presence. The truck rides on 17-inch wheels and features new manual brakes and steering components. The interior is clean and functional, offering comfort for longer drives. It runs and drives well, delivering a loud and powerful exhaust note that matches its aggressive appearance. With a clear title in hand, this vehicle is ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately. 6. 1946 Chevrolet Pickup Custom. Price: $20,000. Located: Lincoln, Nebraska. This 1946 Chevrolet Pickup Custom Hot Rod is a well-built project truck that combines modern mechanical upgrades with classic styling. Powered by a 5.7-liter TBI Chevrolet engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and dependable drivability. The engine setup is complemented by a front serpentine system, enhancing reliability and efficiency. The truck sits on a fully custom powder-coated frame and features a 4-link rear suspension with a Ford 9-inch rear end. Coilover shocks and a drop-tube front axle improve handling and ride quality, while 4-wheel disc brakes provide strong stopping power. All major systems have been updated, including brand new wiring harnesses for both chassis and engine. Fuel and cooling systems have also been upgraded with new fuel lines, fuel cell, electric fan radiator, and water pump. The body maintains a classic patina look with minor imperfections, allowing it to be driven while finishing cosmetic details. Interior components are partially completed, with remaining parts included. This truck offers a strong mechanical foundation with room for personalization. 7. 1948 Willys Rat Rod. Price: $7,000. Located: Carl Junction, Missouri. This 1948 Willys Rat Rod is a unique and well-traveled custom build with a strong presence in the hot rod community. Originally created for a Rat Rod magazine build competition, this vehicle has proven its reliability by completing road tours across multiple states. With over 30,000 miles driven, it stands as a dependable and functional rat rod ready for continued use. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 383-stroker engine producing approximately 460 horsepower. This setup delivers strong acceleration and consistent performance, making it suitable for both cruising and spirited driving. The engine is paired with a dependable transmission, allowing the car to run and drive without issues. The vehicle carries a raw and authentic rat rod style, emphasizing function over perfection. It includes a clean Missouri title and has been maintained well enough to remain roadworthy. This is an affordable entry-level hot rod with proven history, ideal for enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly yet capable custom vehicle with character and performance. 8. 1949 Ford F4 Pickup Truck Rat Rod. Price: $3,250. Located: Forsyth, Missouri. This 1949 Ford F4 pickup truck rat rod presents a solid foundation for a custom build, offering a classic truck body paired with upgraded chassis components. The body has been mounted onto a 1964 Ford F100 frame, improving overall structural strength and giving the vehicle a more modern platform for further modification. Its rugged appearance and project-ready condition make it ideal for enthusiasts looking to create a personalized rat rod or restoration build. The truck is equipped with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring 3.73 gears, providing a reliable drivetrain base once a new engine and transmission are installed. It also includes power drum brakes, contributing to improved stopping capability compared to original systems. Recent updates such as rewiring, fully functioning lights, a new windshield wiper motor, and a new radiator add value and reduce the amount of work needed to complete the build. Although the engine and transmission have been removed, the vehicle is already set up to accept a small block Ford engine and an AOD transmission, simplifying the next stage of the project. With a clear title in hand, this truck is a great opportunity for builders seeking a budget-friendly classic project. 9. 1928 Studebaker Rat Rod. Price: $14,500. Located: Fullerton, Nebraska. This 1928 Studebaker Rat Rod is a rare and distinctive custom build that stands out from the more common Ford and Chevrolet-based hot rods. With its unique body styling and classic pre-war design, this vehicle offers a refreshing alternative for enthusiasts looking for something different in the rat rod scene. Its condition is listed as like new, indicating that the build has been well maintained and carefully preserved. The car showcases a traditional rat rod aesthetic, combining vintage character with modern touches that enhance drivability and visual appeal. While detailed specifications are limited, the vehicle presents itself as a complete and functional build, ready to be enjoyed on the road or displayed at car shows. Its rarity alone makes it a conversation piece, attracting attention wherever it goes. This Studebaker offers a solid opportunity for collectors or builders who appreciate uncommon platforms and custom craftsmanship. The overall presentation suggests a well-executed project with strong visual impact. For those seeking a unique entry into the hot rod world, this vehicle delivers individuality, style, and the unmistakable presence of a classic American custom build.